Hello everyone! In this video you'll learn what Mipmap is, why swap APS in games and how to fix black-white artifacts, as well as excessive sharpness on plant textures and any other objects using alpha channels. The tutorial works for both Unreal Engine and Unity scenes, the handle is the same way. First, let's understand what causes these problems. You may have noticed the artifact only appears when moving away from object because engines use a technique called Mipmap. Mipmap is a set of pre-calculated images of on texture, each subsequent image reduced in resolution by half. This technique is used in computer graphics to improve texture quality and performance by quickly selecting the appropriately sized texture depending on the distance between the camera and the object. Simply put, Mipmap are texture lots. Everyone knows that for decades every engine uses lots that replace mesh geometry with less detailed ons. The farther the object, the more optimized mesh and rendered science detail are harder to see. But not everyone knows texture have Mipmap too. And it's exactly because of when we see blurry soapy textures in games, if the streaming system can keep up, slow HDD, lack of RAM, VRAM or bad developer choices, it fails to swap low Mipmap for high Mipmap in time. When we import textures into the engine, it automatically generates Mipmaps. The number depends on the original resolution. For example, a 4096 by 4096 texture generates 13 Mipmaps. That's why the original file size differs greatly from the in-engine size. But thanks to Mipmap's video memory consumption drops dramatically during rendering each frame. Important note, for Mipmap generation texture resolution must follow a geometric progression with denominator 2. For example, 512 by 512, 1024 by 1024, 2048 by 2048, etc. Textures without Mipmaps look too sharp at distance and produce noise. Congrats! You survived the theory chapter. Take this frog. Now, with this knowledge, open the color texture of your vegetation or any object in your engine and check how its Mipmaps look. If you have no Mipmaps due to wrong resolution, you'll need to fix the resolution in Photoshop first. If the problem is Mipmap related, starting from a certain level, plant outlines will look strange, typically green, black or white borders. This happens due to the engine's automatic Mipmaps generation method. And also with poorly edited textures like the grass atlas you made. I highlight two main errors causing incorrect Mipmaps. First, if the shine or incompletely cropped background at grass edges, the engine treats it as important and preserves it across Mipmaps, causing artifacts. Second, objects too close to each other or to texture edges, leading to color bleeding. To confirm the issue is Mipmaps, temporarily disable them in texture settings, where you can change generation method. This is the latest fixed attempt. Experiment of the Megascans vegetation fix this way. If not, proceed to direct texture editing. Now open Photoshop to fix the texture. Ensure distance between objects and they aren't too close to textured edges. Don't overdo it to avoid low textile density. If you want to know what that is, let me know in comments. If needed, select the object, move to a new layer and fix the layer directly if you have the source. Process object edges with eraser or clone stem if there are obvious flaws. Then select the problematic layer. Layer, mating, differentiate. Pick a value randomly. Higher value increase fixed chains. Also try over mating options. Re-import the texture into the engine. Check the result. If not fix it first try, repeat. That's all, write in comments what tutorial topic you want to see. I also started a new Discord server to gather a creative community, link in description. I'll also leave a link to the text version of the lesson.